Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joe with Lake Erie Golf Cars. Today, we're going to be taking a look at one of our options for adding sounds to your golf car. This is a Sound Extreme soundbar that is mounted to the rear of your golf car, wired directly to your battery so you don't have to worry about recharging it, and is controlled in the front by a power switch that has to be armed by having your car on.
Speaker on.
EcoCast transmitting.
Ready to connect.
Now that the unit is on, you can connect your phone to it. Whatever operating system you're using doesn't really matter. Just go to your Bluetooth settings and you'll find Sound EX-SE followed by a number. This may change a little bit between models, but it's going to say Sound EX and you're going to know it's one of those. Once you click that, it's going to start to pair with your soundbar. Once it's paired with it one time, oh, there it is. It was that easy. Once you're paired with it, you don't have to do it again. Now that your phone's connected, you just go to your favorite source of streaming, press play, and there you go.
Let me talk to you.
The music is live,
always talk.
and you're ready to party.
Let me talk to you so everybody else can hear.
Now this unit is loud, so you're going to be able to hear it from a good distance, so listen responsibly. Respect your neighbors.
Never had this feeling.
Now it's also mounted in the rear, but it is protected from any of the different elements that you may have. Now this unit is loud, so respect your neighbors.
It was ripped out, stomped and left for the sharks. Now with this doubt, somehow.
This unit itself has lights along this rear that can light up and be synced with the music. So let's look at some of our scenes. First, you'll notice when you look at the panel, you have a few different options here. The first option is going to be your power option, turn on and off. However, since this is hardwired into the golf car, you can do that directly from the front of the unit, and there's no need to turn it off or on here. The second is for pairing. This is in case you wanted to pair it with something else. Right now it's currently paired with my phone because I just paired it to it. So if I wanted to change it to someone else's phone, I would just be able to hold that down and then it would go into that mode where it's looking and transmitting that signal for someone else to connect to it. Now let's check out some of these other options. The first, if you press, you have the option of lights here. Once you have the music going and connected, you'll be able to listen to your songs and control the volume from the phone. Also, you have lighted options in the front and the back that are controlled with different scenes. You could press these scenes and change them here and see the different options. Here you have a solid option. You can also cycle through the different zone settings that there are. Like this is in the back now, from the front and rear, and your different scenes. You have different options in different scenes, whether it's going to be in one color, changing colors, flashing, solid. You have to cycle through them and see which ones you kind of like on your own. Now there is volume control here, and there's also volume control from your phone. So you have the option for both. And when I look at my phone, I can see that the volume's going down on my phone and up as I move this from the soundbar itself. Now if I wanted to pause the song, there's a button right in the middle. You pause the song to control it from there. And let's say you wanted to hear the song again, or press the next song, you have a back and forward option here to change tracks. You can even pop open this right here, and it was nice and stuck in there so that way nothing gets inside of there. And you have a USB port to either plug in to use for auxiliary, or you can have it plugged in to use to charge your phone. So this is a nice option to have to add some sound to your golf car. And when it's nighttime outside and it's dark, and I'll see if I can turn the lights off and get a better look at this, you can see how these lights work and how these lights kind of, they'll shine, and they don't add too much to it to make it overboard, but they give it just enough of that look. So when you're looking at different options for adding sounds to your golf car, I would recommend the Sound Extreme soundbar that we use at Lake Erie Golf Cars. And check out some of our different options that we do have available with it too, because there's also one that can be removed and has a rechargeable battery on it, so that way, let's say you're driving to a beach or a pool, and you want to take this off and take this with you, you would be able to do that in that version with that option of it. So we do have different things available that's going to fit your lifestyle and your needs. So let me see if I can get the lights going down and see if we can take a look at some of this and how these scenes look when you change them up. Thanks for checking out the video. We appreciate you stopping by. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe and share, we also appreciate that as well. If you're interested in a new or used golf car, check us out at LakeErieGolfCars.com.